coming across the sky bridge right now.
Just get this guy. He's over here somewhere. Fuck this guy. Yo, come out. Come out, meowing, bitch.
Kill him. Kill first.
He's running over. He's running over.
Oh shit. On the second, running across the sky bridge.
I thought so. I was wrong.
So he's not running over?
He's dead.
Mindset, if you're not willing to defend yourself, somebody's gonna knock you out completely. And that's what Russia and China are preparing to do right now. We've not taken any of the measures to ensure our, if you actually saw the war, it's a roughly you know what you wouldn't do? You wouldn't blow out the national debt to the tune of $30 trillion.
Yeah, definitely multiple.
Chilling. Under you now.
Okay.
I'll split you.
Huh?
I'll split you. Hey, you want to take one room, take the other?
What do you mean?
I'll split you down.
Oh yeah, I'm going right. I'm going right. I'm going right. Back right. Back right. Back right.
Okay.
He's hurt. He's hurt. Hella hurt.
He's dead.
Dead. Dead. Dead. Dead. Dead.
Get folded.
The dude was at like the.
I think you're going the wrong way too.
I can't even tell which way Drew's going.
A word? I mean, we have.
Yeah.
You're not a USAC camp, right?
Anyway.
No, kill.
No.
I'm laying in a bush.
Kill one.
Kill.